Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to show you my tip on how to remove makeup from your clothes. There's nothing worse than getting foundation on your clothes, especially your jeans. This week while working on clients, I managed to get foundation and eyeliner on these jeans, which are all light coloured, and it's so obvious I've got makeup on them. So if you do have makeup on your clothes, don't despair and think you need to throw them away or that they're ruined, because this little trick might help you. It most probably will help you. So stay tuned if you want to see how to remove the makeup. So my favourite product to use to remove makeup is Fairy. There are loads of different versions of dishwasher liquid. Fairy seems to be the only one that I found that removes it. It's not sponsored, it's just the one that I like to use to really get rid of makeup. So as you can see on my cream jeans I've got foundation, and this is a nice little swipe mark on my knee. Don't ask how I got it on there because I don't know. But what we're going to do is take a bit of the Fairy liquid and pop that all over the area that we can see the foundation. Then you're going to just rub that in with your finger to really get it all over the entire product, so it completely covers the foundation. If you need to, add a tiny bit of water just to lather it up a little bit more, and you can always go in with a little bit extra of the Fairy liquid. Keep it taut around your finger and then just use your nail to work between the fibres. Then it will start to turn a bit of a creamy colour, a bit like when we clean our sponges. The sponges get a bit of a creamy colour because of the foundation that's lifting out of them, and it's the same with the clothes. As you can see, the foundation is completely lifted. It's hard to tell because obviously there's a damp patch from the Fairy liquid. On this pair we've got blobs of foundation, and we've also got some eyeliner. I went to town on this pair. So it does help if you've got nails, because you don't really want to use the scrubbing brush. You don't want to ruin the texture of the jeans. So that's already lifting out, and this pair of jeans have already been washed once. This is the foundation that I missed the first time round. So as you can see, the foundation is coming straight up. Moving down the jean, we've got the eyeliner. We're going to put a line of Fairy liquid across that. Keep that fabric taut across your finger, and that'll help to really get that Fairy liquid between the fibres. And then like magic, it's gone. So these ones have already been washed and removed the foundation, but I realised I missed a spot. So you can still get rid of washed in, dried out makeup. And really rub it in to break down the foundation that's in the jeans. And don't worry if this leaves a creamy residue, because this will come out in the wash. I'm going to pop these into the washing machine, and I'm going to show you how they look when we come back. So I've just got my jeans out of the wash, and as you can see there is no makeup on them. The pencil that we had on the jeans has completely disappeared, and so has the foundation. This is my cream pair, which I had foundation on the knee, so it was around this area, and it's completely gone. There's no stain whatsoever. So my trousers have now dried, and this is the jeans that had the eyeliner around this area and foundation at the top, and as you can see it no longer has any makeup on it. These are my beige cream jeans that had foundation on the knee. Don't ask how I got it on there, I have no idea, but thankfully it's completely come out and it has left no residue. The Fairy's not left any staining on the jeans, and by using that little scratching technique with the nails, we've not ruined the fibres of the jeans. And thankfully with my pink pair, this is the pair that had already been washed once, and I've missed that little bit of foundation, and it's still come out no trouble. So I hope you found that useful. Please share the tutorial with anybody that's equally as clumsy as I am with makeup. You could save a couple of their garments from going in the bin. Please subscribe if you haven't already done so, and if you missed last week's tutorial, it will also be on screen for you now. And if you'd like to follow me outside of YouTube, my social handles will also be on screen for you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!